Alimony, also known as spousal support or maintenance, is a financial payment made by one spouse to the other following a divorce or separation. The purpose of alimony is to provide financial support to the lower earning or non-earning spouse to help maintain the standard of living established during the marriage. Here's a detailed examination of what alimony is, how it's determined, types of alimony, and additional considerations. What is alimony? Alimony is a court-ordered payment designed to provide financial assistance to a spouse who may be disadvantaged economically by the separation or divorce. This support aims to balance the financial disparities that can arise after the dissolution of a marriage, ensuring that neither spouse faces undue financial hardship. How is alimony determined? The amount and duration of alimony are determined by several factors, and these can vary significantly by jurisdiction. Common factors considered by the court include 1. Length of the marriage. Longer marriages typically result in longer durations of alimony payments. 2. Financial need. Assesses the financial needs of the requesting spouse and their ability to meet these needs independently. 3. Ability to pay. Evaluates the paying spouse's ability to make alimony payments while meeting their own financial needs. 4. Standard of living. Considers the standard of living established during the marriage and aims to maintain a similar standard for both spouses post-divorce. 5. Age and health. Takes into account the age and health of both spouses, which can affect their earning capacity and financial needs. 6. Income and employment. Evaluates the income, wage earning capacity, and employment history of both spouses. 7. Contributions to the marriage. Recognizes non-financial contributions, such as homemaking and child-rearing, which impacted the career and education opportunities for either spouse. 8. Future financial prospects. Considers the likelihood of the requesting spouse becoming self-sufficient in the future through employment or education. Types of alimony. Different types of alimony can be awarded depending on the specific circumstances of the divorce. 1. Temporary alimony, pendente light. Purpose. Provides financial support to a spouse during the divorce process. Duration. Ends when the divorce is finalized and permanent alimony arrangements are made. 2. Rehabilitative alimony. Purpose. Supports a spouse while they gain education, training, or work experience to become self-sufficient. Duration. Typically limited to the time required for the recipient to achieve financial independence. 3. Permanent alimony. Purpose. Provides ongoing financial support to the dependent spouse, usually after long-term marriages. Duration. Continues until the recipient remarries, the payer or recipient dies, or the court modifies the order. 4. Reimbursement alimony. Purpose. Compensates one spouse for expenses incurred during the marriage, such as funding the other spouse's education or training. Duration. Generally a fixed amount paid over a specified period. 5. Lump sum alimony. Purpose. A single one-time payment instead of periodic payments. Duration. Paid in full upon the conclusion of the divorce proceedings, modifying or terminating alimony. Alimony arrangements can be subject to modification or termination under certain conditions. 1. Change in financial circumstances. Significant changes in either spouse's financial situation can lead to a modification of alimony payments. 2. Remarriage. If the recipient spouse remarries, alimony payments may be terminated or adjusted. 3. Cohabitation. Alimony may be modified or terminated if the recipient spouse cohabitates with another partner in a supportive relationship. 4. Retirement. The paying spouse's retirement can lead to a reassessment of the ability to continue alimony payments. Legal representation and negotiation. Alimony can be a contentious aspect of divorce, making legal representation and negotiation crucial. Attorneys can help. Assess factors. Ensure all relevant factors are considered in determining fair alimony arrangements. Negotiate terms. Facilitate negotiations to reach an amicable agreement on alimony. Advocate in court. Represent the interests of either party in court if an agreement cannot be reached. Alimony is a critical element of divorce proceedings designed to provide financial stability to the lower-earning or non-earning spouse. It requires careful consideration of various factors and circumstances unique to each marriage. By understanding the types of alimony and the criteria courts use to determine it, individuals can better navigate this aspect of divorce and work towards fair and sustainable arrangements.